Hi guys, today I'll be walking you through on how to set up a rotator link here in Clickmagick using the domain that you purchase from the different websites such as GoDaddy and Namecheap. So for me to do that one, let me first log into my Clickmagick account. Okay, so once you are inside your account, you need to go to this link right here, help, and then click on this link FAQ. So we need to know how to set this one up correctly so that everything will be working fine. So you need to click on this link right here, custom tracking domains. Okay, so the information that we have right here is both for tracking links and also setting up a rotator link. So we need to get into this document right here, and then we just need to read on this one. So I would like to focus this one here. The target domain field, the TTL field, and also the A record. So we need to set up at least two records, the C name and the A record. Okay, so if you do have question regarding those two settings, just read through the information right here and it will tell you what's the function of each one. Okay, so let me go to GoDaddy now. Okay, I'm logged into my account and let me just go to my products. So I just purchased recently a new domain. So this one is the domain that I would like to use in setting up my rotator link. So I will go in here on this tab. So I will click on this one. So basically you need to go to the domain DNS management. Okay, so once you are on this screen right here, actually if you just purchase this domain, actually it doesn't look this way. Before this demonstration, I already set up the C name and air record, targeting this one directly to Clickmagick so that I can connect both of the tools so that I can use this domain, davemanriquez.com, as my rotator link. So, so basically, because this is what will happen right here. So I created two settings, the C name and A record. So let me just edit this one so that you will know. So for the host, I put www and points to. So for rotator link, you need to use this one here. Okay, you need to use this one. This is for the rotator link. And if you're using a domain for tracking, you will use this one instead. But for this demonstration, we want to set up a rotator, so we will use this one instead. Okay, so you put that one in here. And for the TTL, GoDaddy recommends within half an hour or within an hour. The reason for that one, TTL, by the way, function, it will tell the internet how often to check your DNS settings if you have made anything. So as you can see right here, so the smaller the value, the faster the changes will show up, and the larger the value, it will become more efficient because GoDaddy will not will just check it oftenly. So so if we're good on that one, you just need to click on this button right here, save. Okay, so I already saved that one, so I'll just cancel it. Okay, and the next thing you need to set up is this A record. So basically a record, we will be pointing the domain right here to the IP address of Clickmagick. So this is the IP address. So don't get wrong on this one because there are two IP addresses that you can use. Um, so as you scroll down on this information right here, so you do have the rotator links IP addresses, so you can use both of this one. So if your intention is to do tracking, so you can use this one instead, these two tracking links. So as you can see, I use this one here. I copy it and I just paste that one in here, over here. And for the TTL, I still choose half an hour. It should not be 12 hours. Okay, so let me save that one. Okay. Okay, so that's already good. So basically what you need to do next is that, let me just close this one. You need to go to tools and then domain manager, and then you just need to type the domain that you target going here in Clickmagick. So that domain is davemanriquez.com. Okay, and just set this one up correctly. So it's a CNS DNSA record, and instead of tracking, you will choose rotators. Okay, and just click this button right here. As you can see, I already propagated it successfully. So I already connected actually this domain, davemanriquez.com, to my Clickmagick account, so I can use this one already. So basically, that's how you will connect the domain that you purchase from GoDaddy into this Clickmagick account of yours. So for Namecheap, the process is still the same. Maybe a couple of stuff might be different, but still the same. So let me just log into my account here. And let's see, this is the domain that you purchase in Namecheap. So you just need to click on this button right here, manage. And then just wait for it, it's still loading, and go to this button here, advanced DNS. Okay, and you can set this one in here. So basically still the same information. You need to have a C name and also an A record, and just copy the information. And by the way, as you can see right here, actually this domain, I use it for tracking, but if you want to use it as a rotator link, just follow the information that you're seeing right here. So use the IP address for rotator and also this one, because this is for rotator here. Okay, and still the same TTL, half an hour. And if you set up it correctly, just save it, as you can see. And the same thing you need to do, you need to go to tools and then domain manager, and then just paste the domain that you would like to propagate. So put the domain right here, and once again, instead of tracking links, do the rotators, and the domain will just show up here. So basically, you can have multiple custom rotator domains. It doesn't matter how many domains you will going to link to your Clickmagick account. Okay, so if you do have question to me, just leave your message below, and if you like this tutorial video, just give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. Have a great day. Bye, guys.